welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, in last video we have discussed about Binance Smart Chain, how we can get the backup of our seed phrases from our wallet. This is so simple and easy. If you need to get this information, so please watch my last video. So today we are going to discuss about our Binance Smart Chain wallet. If we need to add custom tokens, so how can I do? This is so simple and easy. In this video I'm giving to complete information, so please must watch this video till also end. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you know already about Binance Smart Chain wallet. We have already add multiple coins, but that is wallets. Let's suppose the new coin is launched and you want to add in your Binance wallet, so you must need to contact address. After get the contact address, you can easily add any token, any coin. So please watch this video till end. In this video giving to completion, first of all I'm going to open coin market cap and we will check the new launch token. The Bitcoin price is almost $19,520 and there's two portions available. I think top 100 cryptocurrency list is already added in our Binance Smart Chain wallet, but let's suppose recently added token in our coin market cap. So how can we will add this token in our Binance wallet? Simple click on more, and then you can see here there is many new token is available, and this token is launched in BNB, this token is launched in Avalanche, Aurora and Ethereum. So today we are going to add new token in Binance Smart Chain and also Ethereum chain. So first we need to going to add, let's suppose work it. This token price is 84 cent and this token is developed BNB and just 18 hours ago launched. Total market cap and volume. And if you need to add this token on your Binance Smart Chain wallet, so you just simple click on it. You can see here now the new page open front of you, or you can just simple right click or open new tab. You can see here you will get all information about this token on this main page. We just discuss about how we can add custom token in our Binance Smart Chain wallet. So there is shown the Binance Smart Chain BIP contact address. Simple click on it, then the new website open front of you, Binance bscscan.com. You can see here bscscan.com, and you can see here there is shown the contact address of this new token. Just simple copy. The token name is work it. If your contact address is correct and also your network is correct, then the decimal and token symbol will be automatically filled. Okay, so going to log in my Binance Smart Chain wallet, and after that add this custom token in our main interface. So secure and trusted multi-chain crypto wallets, going to enter my password here and simple click on unlock. Then the wallet is open front of me, and you can see here there is only one wallet, BNB. So if we need to add new token like work it, which is we have already copied the contact address, and going to add on my interface of Binance Smart Chain. First you need to cross check you have selected correct network, because I have select the contracted address of this token in Binance Smart Chain or BSC scan.com. So I will select BNB Smart Chain or BNB network, and then you can see here there is button is plus button. Use this button to add or remove asset from your home screen, and also you can add the custom token. So click on plus button, and this token is newly launched, so that I think not available in the list. So I will add in custom assets. You can see here there is the option custom assets. Just paste here the contract address. Now contract address, and now you can see here over network and also contract address correct, then the all information will be shown front of you. Also contract address and also address and also token symbol, token decimal, and also balance. So going to click on add assets. You can see here. Now as you can see here, we have successfully add custom token in our Binance Smart Chain network, and I'm going to also add in Ethereum network. You can use same scenario. You can see here there's shown second option Ethereum network. So I have clicked on it. Now Ethereum network is selected, and now the Ethereum wallet is only shown here, but I need to add new launch token on Ethereum mainnet. So I will get the first of all contract address. After that I can use same scenario. So going to again open CoinMarketCap, and you can see here there is newly launched on Ethereum mainnet gold 1. So I will add this token in our Binance Smart Chain wallet. Simple click on it and open the new page where you get all information about this token. This time rank is 4000 number, and also Ethereum contract is available here like BNB or Binance Smart Chain. Simple click on it, and the etherscan.io is opened from front of me. You know, we have already add Binance Smart Chain token, and now we are going to add Ethereum mainnet token, so that the website open front of me, and there the contract address is available of this token. Simple copy, and you can see here also shown the decimal and also shown the token symbol. We just need to copy our contract address from this website, and if our contract address and network is correct, then the both option will be automatically filled like decimal and currency symbol. Going to click on our wallet, Binance Smart Chain wallet, and now click on same plus button, and now there is shown the custom assets, and now going to paste here my contract address. When I paste here the contract address, you can see here there's shown the wallet address, contract address, and also wallet address, and also token symbol, token decimal. So because my contract address and my selected network is correct, so that all information shown here. So going to click on add assets. Now viewers, you can see here we have successfully also add this token in our Ethereum network in Binance Smart Chain wallet. This is so simple and easy. You can add any custom token on in these blockchain on Binance and Ethereum network. You can easily add. Like me, I have kept information properly in this video. I think you have not any question regarding this, but if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. So please send me message 2 or 3 times, otherwise your message not shown in front of me, because many spam messages shown in my YouTube channel. So avoid all messages and comments. So please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. Just simple visit my YouTube channel, go to the videos area, and then you will get all information, all cryptocurrency wallets. Okay, so viewers, meet with you in new video. Bye bye.